In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content creation, Zebracat AI has emerged as a groundbreaking tool that empowers marketers and content creators to produce high-quality, short-form videos efficiently and affordably. Launched recently on AppSumo, Zebracat AI has already garnered significant attention and positive reviews, positioning itself as a formidable player in the realm of video creation tools. Overview of Zebracat AI. Zebracat AI is designed to streamline the video production process, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. Its intuitive interface and powerful features cater to a wide range of needs, from generating scripts and incorporating stock footage to utilizing ultra-realistic AI voices for voiceovers. With a competitive pricing model and a growing user base, ZebraCat AI is poised to become an essential tool for content creators and marketers. Key features. Script generation, ZebraCat. AI simplifies the process of creating video scripts. Users can generate scripts up to 1,800 characters long, suitable for videos of around 3 minutes. This feature ensures that content is concise, yet impactful. Stock footage. The app includes a vast library of stock footage, enabling users to enhance their videos with high-quality visuals without the need for extensive filming. AI voices. ZebraCat. AI offers a diverse selection of AI-generated voices, ranging from soft and calming to upbeat and human-like. These voices can be used for voiceovers, adding a professional touch to videos. Customization options. Users can personalize their videos by adjusting text effects, colors, and captions. The ability to turn captions and music on or off provides greater control over the final product. User-friendly interface. The software features a straightforward, user-friendly interface with various templates to spark creativity and simplify the video making process. Multiple video formats. ZebraCat AI supports various video formats, making it versatile for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and other social media channels. Affordable pricing. ZebraCat AI's pricing is significantly lower than many competitors, with plans starting as low as $25 per month with Cat Mode, offering substantial savings compared to other tools that cost around $85 monthly with SuperCat option. Or you can try it free option, 25 credits/month getting started with ZebraCat AI. Step 1. Sign up and choose a plan. To begin using ZebraCat AI, visit the ZebraCat AI website and sign up for an account. The platform offers multiple pricing tiers to suit different needs and budgets. Evaluate the features of each plan and select the one that best fits your requirements. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. Once you've created an account and logged in, you'll be greeted by the ZebraCat AI dashboard. This user-friendly interface is designed to help you navigate through the various features effortlessly. Spend some time exploring the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Step 3. Generate a script. One of the standout features of ZebraCat AI is its script generation capability. To create a script, follow these steps. Navigate to the script generator. From the dashboard, select the script generation tool. Input your content. Enter the main points or keywords you want to include in your video. ZebraCat AI will use this information to generate a coherent and engaging script. Review and edit. Once the script is generated, review it and make any necessary edits to ensure it aligns with your vision. Step 4. Select stock footage. With your script ready, the next step is to enhance your video with stock footage. ZebraCat AI's extensive library of high-quality clips ensures that you can find the perfect visuals to complement your content. Browse the library. Access the stock footage library from the dashboard. Search for clips. Use keywords related to your video's theme to find suitable clips. Add to project. Select the clips you want to include and add them to your project. You can use multiple clips to create a dynamic and visually appealing video. Step 5. Choose an AI voice. To give your video a professional touch, choose one of ZebraCat AI's ultra-realistic AI voices for the voiceover. Access the voice library. Navigate to the AI voice section from the dashboard. Listen to samples. Browse through the available voices and listen to samples to find the one that best suits your video's tone and style. Apply the voice. Once you've selected a voice, apply it to your script. Zebracat AI will synchronize the voiceover with your video content. Step 6. Customize your video. Personalization is key to creating engaging content. Zebracat AI offers various customization options to help you tailor your video to your specific needs. Adjust text effects. Add and customize text overlays to highlight important points. You can change the font, color, and size to match your brand's aesthetic. Edit captions. Turn captions on or off, adjust their placement, and customize their appearance to enhance readability and engagement. Add music. Choose from a selection of stock music tracks to add an audio background to your video. You can also adjust the volume levels to ensure the music complements the voiceover. Step 7. Preview and finalize. Before finalizing your video, preview it to ensure everything is in place. Preview the video. Use the preview feature to watch your video and make sure all elements are correctly aligned and synchronized.
And living life without the burden of type 2 diabetes. Discover the power of natural remedies to transform your health and reclaim your joy. Feel the freedom of a life unchained by diabetes. Embrace a happier, healthier future with simple, natural steps. Your journey to reversing type 2 diabetes starts now. Unlock the vibrant life you deserve.
Make adjustments. If needed, make any final adjustments to the footage, voiceover, text, or music. Finalize and export. Once you're satisfied with the preview, finalize your video. Choose the desired format and resolution, and export the finished product. Advanced tips for using Zebracat AI. To maximize the potential of Zebracat AI, consider the following advanced tips. Leverage templates. Use the various templates available to kickstart your creativity and speed up the video creation process. Experiment with different voices. Test out multiple AI voices to see which one resonates best with your audience. Optimize for different platforms. Tailor your videos to the specific requirements of different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for better engagement. Utilize blog URLs. Convert blog posts into dynamic videos by using their URLs. This feature can help you repurpose existing content and reach a wider audience. Compare outputs. Experiment with different software outputs to find the best quality and style for your videos. Case studies and user testimonials. Case study 1, small business marketing. A small business owner used Zebracat AI to create promotional videos for their products. By leveraging the script generation and stock footage features, they were able to produce high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or professional videographers. The addition of AI voiceovers gave their videos a polished, professional feel, leading to increased engagement and sales. Case study 2, content creator on YouTube. A YouTube content creator incorporated Zebracat AI into their workflow to streamline video production. The ability to quickly generate scripts and access a wide range of stock footage allowed them to focus more on content quality and creativity. The creator noted a significant improvement in video production efficiency and viewer engagement. User testimonial. Zebracat AI has been a game changer for my content creation process. The AI voices are incredibly realistic, and the script generation tool saves me so much time. I've been able to produce more videos in less time, and the quality has never been better. Highly recommend it. Conclusion. Zebracat AI is revolutionizing the way marketers and content creators approach video production. Its user-friendly interface, robust features, and affordable pricing make it an invaluable tool for producing high-quality, engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, or a content creator, Zebracat AI provides the tools you need to elevate your video content and reach a broader audience. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can harness the full potential of Zebracat AI and create videos that captivate and convert. If you see this video as helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.